So I'm just getting ready to go off to Casa now. I go to Casa Hair and Makeup on Oniwa Road. I've been going there for years and I would never change hair salon, even though we live in Whangaparaoa. The travel's worth it. I will never change. So I am off to the salon now. I'm getting a cut and colour. I need to get some shampoo and a mask for my hair as well. I'm getting a treatment done, but pretty much, yeah, getting Christmas ready, getting my hair done. And I'm thinking of chopping like maybe this much off my hair. Kind of a lob, not quite so short though, but maybe, I don't know, we'll see. I'm going to talk to Laurel, my hairdresser, and see what she has to say. So I will take this along with me and keep you updated. I have to show you the joys of driving my hubby's truck and not being so tall. Ready? Yeah. just finished at Casa and I am beyond obsessed with my hair. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we went a little bit shorter than what I was originally going to do. I'm so happy that Laurel and Kirsty totally talked me into this, and yeah, I am so obsessed. Should we go for a walk? Should we go for a walk? Should we go for a walk? Yeah? Enjoyed this vlog, seeing a few things that I love doing, being on the beach, being at the salon. I really enjoy filming vlogs. I think it's just so much fun. And yeah, well, I'm gonna go and play with my new hair that I am obsessed with and go and enjoy this gorgeous sunshine that's going on today. So I hope you have a beautiful week and I will talk to you guys again soon.